Salam guys, happy New Year's Eve. Tomorrow's New Year's. Tomorrow's also my brother's birthday, so in true fashion I am making a birthday cake, and we're gonna try and make a pistacchio tres leches cake. It's supposed to be like a sponge cake, and then you soak it in overnight in like a mixture of evaporated milk and condensed milk. So we're gonna try and make that but pistachio flavor. So we're gonna deshell, deshell 25 grams of pistachio. We're in the kitchen now, and I'm going to ground the pistachio.
Yes, that's one of the things here.
So 25 grams sifted in, and then everything else I'm just going to put in a bucket aside because we're going to use it for the top of the cake. To a bowl we add 2/3 cup of white sugar, the zest of half an orange. Now you want to massage it together for a couple of minutes. Should be fragrant, fluffy and a little bit yellowish orange color. Now we need to separate 3 eggs yolks with the sugar and orange, and the whites in a separate clean dry bowl. Now we're gonna whisk the egg whites. This stuff, taste it out. It's not falling. So stay. If your egg whites are contaminated with any water, any oil, any like flour, anything, it won't become, it won't stick, like what do you call it? It won't fluff up basically. So that's why I do the egg whites first, because then I just use the same whisk for the rest of the cake instead of having to do the rest of the cake first and then having to wash the whisk and then having to do the egg whites. Work smarter, not harder, guys. Bring in the egg yolks and sugar till it's light and pale and fluffy or something like that. Now you want to add in 3/4 cups of milk. And whisk that in. Be sure to scrape down the sides of your bowl so that you have a homogeneous mixture. The recipe says 82 grams of plain flour, but which seems to be around 3/4 cups of flour. So now 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 25 grams of ground unsalted pistachio, which I technically sifted. Technically sifted it at this fireworks. It's New Year's Eve, guys. New Year's Eve. Oh, and also we're gonna add some salt. I think it's a 1/8 teaspoon, so a pinch of salt basically. Now we bring back our egg. Okay, let me show you guys what it looks like. Looks like that. All mixed homogeneously. I don't know anymore. Now we're gonna add in our egg whites. We add a little bit at a time, or for the first time, and then you just wanna fold it in. I do a little first just so that because the mixture is already very runny, so I just add a little bit just so that it thickens the mixture up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna add the rest of it in. This is where technique comes in, guys. We're gonna fold it in, not mix, fold. So you basically just like cut it in half with one hand. This is the motion you're gonna do with it actually. Cut in half and fold it over with the spatula. Then with the other hand you're gonna turn the bowl. Cut in half, turn, fold over. Cut in half, turn, fold over. Like so. I'm doing this one hand, so cut in half, fold over. Then you must turn. Cut in half, fold over, turn. Cut in half, fold over, turn. Now I need to get a 20 centimeter by 27, a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter oven plaatje to bake the thing in. And so I brought my ruler out because I don't know what 20 centimeters. Anyway, let's see. We have two options. I mean, it's not very high though. No, I don't think so. I will veer off from the recipe. Oh my god. I think this one will be better. 25 or 27. Should be fine. Now, because it's a chiffon cake, the sides must not be greased so that the cake sticks to the side while it rises and it doesn't place. Guys, I look pretty fat because I'm wearing a duck jacket underneath my apron, Mars apron. Anyways, so don't salt this. Okay, there we go. Carefully pour batter in. Make sure you clean your bucket out. We don't waste in this house. Put it in the oven. For I think 40 minutes. While that's happening, we will clean the kitchen.
Wash, wipe, scrub and clean, make the kitchen sparkle and gleam. My name's Ben, and my name's Small. We've got the cleanest kitchen of all.
So guys, lesson learned. Listen to the recipe when it says a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter because well, I thought it'd be thicker. Like I really thought it'd be thicker. Anyways, I took it out the oven about like 10 minutes ago. Okay, got a jug. To my jug, we're gonna add. I only had a big ton of evaporated milk, but I don't have to do because I only need half a cup of evaporated milk. And then half a cup of condensed milk also. 3/4 cup of milk. 3 tablespoons of pistacchio spread. 1. Now we're gonna steam together. The fork and the holes. I'm gonna pour that all over the cake. Supposed to like cover it and put it in the fridge overnight, so